Hi guys! It's been a long time. How are you, my friend? I was very busy and lazy. So the upload is late. I'm sorry. Well, I recently participated in Mayu Bazaar at a cafe called Rosati in Abu Dhabi, United Arab Emirates. It was a great experience and time and opportunity for me. Especially the place is private and cozy and lovely. So I wanna draw this place. Enjoy watching video and please draw a place that you remember too. Thanks for watching it. See you in the next video. See you again.